Welcome back to Module 2, Physics. In this video, we continue fluid dynamics with Bernoulli's theorem and the Venturi effect. The continuity equation says the same volume of fluid must pass every point in a pipe each second. A 1v1 equals A2v2, where A is the cross-sectional area and V is the flow velocity. If the pipe narrows, the area drops, so the velocity must increase to keep the flow rate the same. Bernoulli's theorem says the total energy along a streamline stays constant. P plus a half ROV squared plus RROGH equals a constant, where P is pressure energy, a half ROV squared is kinetic energy, and ROGH is potential energy from height. On a level pipe, height does not change, so pressure and velocity must trade off against each other. As you can see, both bars reach the same total height, but point 2 has more kinetic energy and less pressure energy than point 1. The Venturi effect combines both ideas. As the pipe narrows at the throat, continuity forces the flow to speed up, and Bernoulli's theorem tells us that faster flow means lower pressure. So the throat of a Venturi tube has high velocity and low pressure, while the wider inlet has lower velocity and higher pressure. One everyday application is the carburetor. Air is drawn through a Venturi throat, speeding up and dropping the local pressure. That low pressure is enough to draw fuel up from the fuel bowl below, so it mixes with the fast-moving air before entering the engine. The Pitot-static system uses the same theorem to measure airspeed. The pitot tube faces into the airflow and captures total pressure, while a static port on the side captures static pressure. The difference between them is the dynamic pressure, Q equals a half RROV squared, and that is converted into the indicated airspeed shown on the ASI. Here is one for you to try. A pipe narrows from an area of 4.0 square meters, flowing at 2.0 meters per second, down to 2.0 square meters. Calculate the velocity in the narrow section. Pause the video now. Read the question and select your answer. The correct answer is B. Smaller a needs larger v to match A1v1. Read the question and select your answer. The correct answer is C, P, and V trade off at constant height. Read the question and select your answer. The correct answer is B. Low throat pressure draws fuel up. That completes video 14. Next time we move into thermodynamics, starting with temperature, heat, and heat transfer. See you there.